Hey guys, reviews and more. Have you been watching a lot of Downton Abbey? Like 4 or 5 times in a row, and your wife really wants some, I don't know, teacups? Or maybe you want some teacups because they're just so elegant. These are teacups. They are from a company called Jusalpha. I just bought them for her. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's Jusalf. I'm sorry, Jusalpha. Jusalpha. Not doesn't roll off the tongue because I'm American. Probably am speaking with a horrible accent of whatever language that supposedly is. It is a China teacup, but tea set. It is a total of, excuse me, it is a total of 12 pieces plus 6 spoons, so I guess for a total of 18 pieces altogether. It is porcelain, 100% lead free, and each one holds apparently about 5 ounces of liquid. So that's the technical specs on it. It comes with a wire rack and bracket set for it, and overall, this set kind of is cheap. So if you're looking to use something, I wouldn't get this, and not necessarily because it's going to break on you because it's made of thick porcelain. But that little item right there, if you look closely at the bottom right of the bracket there, you will see that the pieces are coming out, and they are not affixed in any real way. Additionally, the porcelain footing on the teacups are not very deep on the platter, so it will not stay still. It'll slide all over that little platter, so it's not really functional. The teaspoons feel a little bit industrial and kind of cheap, but they do rest nicely on the rim of the cup, as you can see right there. And that's about it, guys. I'm probably going to be returning it. It doesn't feel bad. It just doesn't. It's just not functional for me because, I mean, and you're about to see the last segment of this entire little video. The advertised full rack setup where you can put the spoons hanging up in there. I'm going to try several times. I eventually do get it, but it's a pain in the butt. So you're going to get to hear me get frustrated at this thing. But yeah, for $44 now they have a larger set for $62 that might be a better deal, but it's just not high quality. And you see right there, it's all wiggly. It's because it's gotten loose, and I had to kind of try to jerry-rig it and fix it. I'm not really happy with it for that price. We paid $44 for the 6-piece set, and it's $62 for the one that comes with a salt with a teapot and everything else. And I'm just going to say I don't think it's really all that worth it. And that's the end of my contribution to the voiceover section. The rest is me trying to get the stupid spoons to go in the slots. So have a listen and enjoy my anger. Motherfucker.